Today, we're breaking down the truth behind those viral 10-minute colon cleanse claims, what really works, what's safe, and how you can support your gut health naturally. As we age, our gut undergoes a series of changes that often go unnoticed. The muscles in our digestive tract slow down, making it harder to move food along. We also produce fewer digestive enzymes, which means our bodies can struggle to break down certain foods. On top of that, the balance of good bacteria in our gut, our microbiome, shifts, sometimes in ways that aren't helpful. All of these changes can lead to more frequent constipation, uncomfortable bloating, and that heavy, sluggish feeling after meals that so many people over 40 experience but rarely talk about. Too often we brush off these symptoms, assuming they're just a normal part of getting older, or something we have to live with. But ignoring them can make things worse over time. Chronic digestive issues don't just cause discomfort, they can sap your energy, affect your mood, and even lead to complications like hemorrhoids, anal fissures, or more serious health problems if left unchecked. The good news is, recognizing and addressing these changes early can make a big difference. By paying attention to your gut health and making small lifestyle adjustments, you can feel lighter, more energetic, and enjoy life after 40 with greater comfort and confidence. Ever feel like you didn't quite finish in the bathroom? That's incomplete evacuation. Hard stools, weak pelvic muscles, or poor coordination can all play a role. This leads to straining, discomfort, and a cycle of worsening constipation. It's not just frustrating, it's a sign your gut needs more support. That's why so many people start searching for quick fixes. When your colon slows down, waste sits in your body for longer than it should. This means that the natural process of elimination is disrupted, and your digestive system can't work as efficiently. As a result, toxins and waste products linger, which can make you feel sluggish, bloated, and uncomfortable. During this time, your colon keeps absorbing water from the stool, making it dry out and become much harder to pass. Imagine trying to squeeze water from a dry sponge. What's left is tough and unyielding, just like hard stool. You might have heard scary stories about years of waste caked on your colon walls, but that's just a myth. The truth is, your gut is designed to be self-cleaning, constantly moving things along and keeping itself clear of old waste. However, real risks do exist. Fecal impaction, where stool becomes so hard and stuck that it blocks the colon, can be extremely painful and even dangerous. Chronic constipation can lead to ongoing discomfort, bloating, and other health issues that shouldn't be ignored. Hard, dry stool can cause pain, straining, and even lead to serious complications like hemorrhoids, anal fissures, or more severe blockages if left untreated. It's not just an inconvenience, it can impact your quality of life. The key is to keep things moving by staying hydrated, eating plenty of fiber, and staying active. Taking care of your colon health now can help you avoid bigger problems down the road. Aging means weaker gut muscles, fewer digestive enzymes, and often less physical activity. Dehydration and common medications can make things worse. All these factors slow digestion and make constipation more likely. It's a perfect storm for a sluggish gut. Bloating, heaviness, and fewer or more difficult bowel movements are all signs of sluggish digestion. It's not just about how often you go, but how easy and complete it feels. These symptoms can sap your energy and even affect your mood. Your gut is sending you a message. Don't ignore it. Recognizing these clues is the first step to change. Let's get practical. Here are 5 gentle science-backed drinks you can easily make at home to help your gut work better overnight. These drinks are designed to be simple, natural, and effective, so you can support your digestive system without harsh cleanses or complicated routines. Each one is made with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen, making it easy to start tonight. These aren't explosive cleanses. They gently support your body's natural rhythm, helping you wake up feeling lighter, more refreshed, and ready to take on the day. By working with your body's overnight processes, these drinks encourage a more complete and comfortable morning, so you can feel your best without any surprises. Each drink uses ingredients known to hydrate, add fiber, or soothe your gut. We'll cover Kiwi Flax, Prune-Citrus, Psyllium honey gel, warm milk, and Pear mint water. These combinations are not only tasty, but also packed with nutrients that help your digestive system function smoothly. Whether you're looking for more regularity or just want to feel lighter, these drinks can make a real difference. Consistency is key. Make these a habit for real results. By including one of these drinks in your nightly routine, you'll give your body the gentle support it needs to clear out old waste and start each day feeling your best. The Kiwi Flax drink combines kiwi's digestive enzymes with flaxseed's soluble fiber. Blend 2 kiwis with a tablespoon of ground flaxseed and water for a smooth, gut-friendly drink. The fiber softens and bulks stool, while kiwi helps break down food. Drink before bed for a lighter, more complete morning. It's a simple, natural way to support regularity. Prune juice is a classic for a reason. Its fiber, sorbitol, and phenolic compounds all help soften stool. Add a squeeze of lemon for flavor and extra hydration. Warm 1 cup of prune juice, add half a lemon's juice, and sip before bed. The warmth relaxes your gut, while the ingredients work overnight. Perfect for tackling hard, dry stools. Psyllium husk is a powerful bulking fiber. Mix a teaspoon into a glass of warm water, add honey, and drink quickly. It forms a gel that softens and bulks stool, making it easier to pass. Always follow with another glass of water to prevent blockages. This is a gentle, effective way to normalize your gut. Warm milk can soothe your gut and help you relax before sleep, if you tolerate dairy. The warmth relaxes your digestive muscles, and the tryptophan supports gut motility. Add cinnamon or nutmeg for flavor and extra benefits. If you're lactose intolerant, skip this one. Pearmint water is light, hydrating, and great for sensitive stomachs. Blend a ripe pear, with skin, and fresh mint leaves with water. Pear's fiber and sorbitol soften stool, while mint calms bloating. Drink before bed for a gentle, refreshing flush. Wake up feeling lighter and less bloated. No matter your age, your gut can improve with the right support. These drinks aren't just quick fixes, they're tools for building a healthier routine. Consistent fiber, hydration, and gut-friendly nutrients can retrain your system. Don't settle for discomfort. Small changes add up. Your gut can reset, and you can feel better at any age. Which of these drinks will you try first? Kiwi Flax, Prune-Citrus, Psyllium, Honey Warm Milk, or Pearmint? Share your choice and your own tips in the comments. Your experience could help someone else. Let's support each other on this gut health journey. Forget the 10-minute cleanse. Real gut health comes from gentle, consistent habits. Try these drinks, share this video, and subscribe for more tips on healthy aging. Let's open up the conversation and help each other feel our best. Thanks for watching. See you next time.